Hold the EinStar Vega without blocking cameras, LED lights, and ventilation. Keep the cameras and project boards clean without dirt and fingerprints. Now, hold the scanner and press the power button for 3 seconds. Wait for the screen to light up and the boot animation to finish. Go to access the top menu, turn on Wi-Fi, and connect to an available internet. Return to the setting menu and enter the login interface. Now enter your email or phone number and request a verification code to log in. Setup complete. Now you can enjoy using the EinStar Vega.